of the state, Dr. Mohan Yadav. Yes.
All right, stay on, Prakhar. Now, the investigation into the alleged dowry death of Twisha Sharma has been now handed over to a special investigation team on the directions of Police Commissioner Sanjay Kumar. The 6-member SIT will be headed by ACP Misrod Rajneesh Kashyap Kaul, which includes Katara Hills Police Station in charge Sunil Dubey and 2 sub-inspectors. Twisha Sharma, wife of Samarth Singh and daughter-in-law of retired district judge and district consumer forum bench 2 chairperson, Giribala Singh, was found dead on the terrace of her house in Bagh, Mugalia Extension. Prakhar is back with me, but I want to also go across to Ali Khan. Do we have Ali with us? All right, I've been informed that Ali is not joining us at this point. But Prakhar, these are all the latest details that have emerged. Now, you were speaking to some of the family members for the benefit of our viewers who have just joined us. Tell us what they were telling us about the marriage which went wrong in just 5 months. What really happened there?
See, I was just talking to to some of the family members. They have told us that that some of the things they have been noticing from the day one of the marriage, and also from some of the some incidences they were discussing from the marriage functions also, where Justice retired Judge Giribala Singh's family have just outspoken about many of the things. One such incident which I was told about this family from the family of victim was that the Giribala Singh family, when they were in Noida for the marriage ceremonies, they were being treating like with a brigadier's level protocol. But also some of the incidences, at some point of time they have told that Twisha's family is not treating them well. So these things started from the day one of the marriage, and even before the marriage. Also in these 5 months there were incidences where sometimes she was tortured, or she was accused for the job she has left, because she had to transfer to Bhopal from her earlier location of Noida. Also earlier, before this incidents took place, just before this incident, she was pregnant, and she didn't want that pregnancy. She was not ready for the pregnancy, and this was the very last of the thing which has happened between Samarth and Twisha, after which she was found dead after after some hours of talking to her mother on phone call, which is alleged that the phone call was also been interrupted in between after Samarth entered the room. So these were all the updates before the suicide happened, and after that the latest updates are the family was the family accused this is not a suicide, this is a murder. And after that, AIIMS Bhopal confirmed that this incident is an incident of suicide, but family is not ready to accept the reasons or the post-mortem report of the AIIMS Bhopal, and demands the case to be transferred to Delhi, and second post-mortem to be done in Delhi AIIMS because of the influence of retired district judge Giribala Singh and his lawyer son Samarth. These are all the accusations which are made until now, and the latest update is the family is sitting outside the chief minister's house, staging the protest against the police investigation and AIIMS report. And right now it's about half an hour and more since the father and brother, two of the family members of Twisha, are inside chief minister's house and raising their demand for transfer of this case. Yes.
All right, Prakhar, and you know, viewers, we put out that black and white image for you that I was discussing with you earlier. We can't show you those grievous injuries, but of course the injuries are extremely serious on her neck, which I did see. So we will have to figure out whether it's a murder or a suicide. That, of course, the investigation will reveal. But NewsX has accessed the full post-mortem report of Trisha Sharma now. The report has revealed that the medical termination of pregnancy was performed a week before her death. Trisha died due to ante-mortem hanging by ligature, indicating she was alive when hanged. The report also mentions multiple ante-mortem injuries over other parts of the body. Let's now take a look at what the post-mortem